To use the file repository feature in Moodle, first make sure that your file has been uploaded to your Google Drive. When you're ready to submit a requirement, go to the submission page of that specific activity or assignment. Click on the small file icon to open the file picker. In the file picker, find and select the Google Drive tab. Log in with your Google account if prompted. Then browse or search for the file you want to attach. Once you find it, select the file and insert it into your submission. That's it. Your file from Google Drive is now added to your Moodle submission.